She's got power, bro! Oh my god! Wow! That flash, oh, it was running lean, and now it's like in the power band. It's not like lugging anywhere.
It's louder too. I'm like, is that me?
Yeah. The first thing I notice is it's not as smooth like on off throttle, but it's like right when you go to give it throttle or let off, it's a lot more choppier, more choppier. Oh baby! Oh! Oh yeah! Bro, it feels so much better. Oh my god!
Me that both ends. I like the fire causing mayhem. I'm not tired, I've been waiting. I'm the forsaken. I'm my own and I'm jaded. Energy comes from my hatred. Call me the villain, cause I be killing. I got no feeling, I've been dealing with all my demons. I like to feed them, they be chilling. Yeah, they be screaming. I can hear them in my mind. They just wanna find any fight, any reason. There ain't no place too hard. All you fears are electrified. Welcome to the high side, where it's all do or die. We're the shadow to the light. I can feel it in my bones. I'm addicted to the thoughts. I ain't never let it go. Even when it hurts. This is my curse. I'm the king, bring me everything.
My attack just shot all the way up to redline and then back, but the engine speed didn't change. Like my shift lights came on and then it just went back down. Hopefully I'm not breaking it. The idle's higher. It's weird. I wonder if it's supposed to be that high, or if it was just idling low before because it was lean. No, it's a difference in the tune. I don't know why it's idling at 2. Oh my gosh! The suspension? Oh, it's smoother. It's just that's just a sucky bump. The rebound's turned down, I think. She's definitely running hotter. Oh no, he coming. He coming. It's still kind of idling high. It feels smoother now that I reconnected the battery. Still at like 2,000. It'll be fine. It'll be alright. Zippity boppity. Bippity woppity.
I like the fire causing mayhem. I'm not tired, I've been waiting. I'm the forsaken. I'm my own and I'm jaded. Energy comes from my hatred. Call me the villain, cause I be killing. I got no feeling, I've been dealing with all my demons. I like to feed them, they be chilling. Yeah, they be screaming. I can hear them in my mind. They just wanna find any fight, any reason. There ain't no place too hard. All your fears are
feels amazing. Yeah, bro, I think it was just my battery. Nah, feels great. That was a little hard. You want to go home or this way? Huh?
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Alright. It's looking dark! I might go home. Oh yeah, it's close. I wouldn't be surprised if it starts sprinkling on the way home. Yeah. Gosh, it's dark. Yeah. Yeah, we go home. Plus, you gotta ride back to so for the wheelie, bro. That might be a cop up there. I can't tell. God, it's dark. If this is not a cop, I'm taking off. I'll meet you at my house. I can't tell. Ah! Oh, he's going. That's rain right there.
And may God have mercy on your soul.
This is no bueno. What in the Oklahoma weather, dude? If I've been recording this whole time, I'm just gonna cut to what the weather looked like 10 minutes ago. This thing feels amazing, but it didn't rain. This is like tornado weather. Oh, raindrop! There's a raindrop, and my cardo's dying. Oh my gosh! Don't hit that. Oh man. The ND filter's still on, so it's probably super dark right now. Gotta find the frickin' yeah. I lost 2 in a row that 1 week, so now I put it in my backpack. Oh, and a good song just came on. Oh crap. Oh my, no, it's in here somewhere. I know you're in here. Oh, Wait. Found it. Boop. Whee!
Oh my lordy lord.
I'm gonna take the filter off so they can see. Is it still recording? Oh, there was a splatter on this. Dang it. Look. That's okay. Yeah. It's nader weather.
Nader's gonna get you.
This is the kind of weather where all the Okies go outside and just stare at the sky. That's crazy, because like 10 minutes ago it was sunny. That's insane. I never even felt a raindrop. You could see it looked like a wall of rain. Yeah. But yeah, and it didn't even rain. But